Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and today I'm going to make a blue page in my rainbow journal. And then I do believe I will have made one of every color. So the first thing I'm going to do is on this page where I had done some sort of smush coloring on the paper, I'm just going to use my stencil. This is Tim Holtz. I believe it's called Flourish. It's one of my favorite stencils to use. I'm going to use some of my Distress Oxide that is Faded Denim. So I'm not trying to cover my smushiness, but I'm trying to add another layer to it. Go. Oh, I've got some other colors on there. I use this stencil all the time and I don't clean it as I should, so the fact that I've got other colors appearing is not a shock. This one's really, I need to get a new one. Had this for so long and used it so much, some of the stuff is getting kind of bent and stuff. Okay, so there we go. Just adding another layer. And actually, I kind of like the other colors kind of blending in there a bit. Okay. So what I'm going to do for this one is I want to make a top tuck. Oh yeah, I think that'll do well. So, and this is from one of Kara's Friday freebies. So I want that, but I want, okay, got to think as I'm talking. I want to use some of this trim on this bottom edge. So I'm going to kind of mark that with a pencil so I know about where I want my Fabri-Tac to go. Okay. So lay that down. And trim that. And I'm just going to trim this edge at an angle. That works. And oh, that one I didn't do as well. Okay, let's that works, and let's Get rid of that little extra hangy piece there. Okay. That looks a little better. Probably should have left one more, but that's okay. Yeah. Okay, so now where did... Just going to add a couple more pieces to this, and I don't know what I did with them. Oh, here they are. They got scooted around. Okay. So I've got this J&P Coats thread advertisement from Kara Brandon, and I've got this blue postage stamp. And then I've got just a little piece of fabric here that has a button on it. And so I thought I would just do a little collage like that, just to give it a little something. So let's do the stamp first. Need to add more Fabri-Tac to my bottle. Okay. Now we'll add this, the J&P Coats. And our piece of fabric with the button on it. There. Okay. So then, if I can find my art glitter glue, I'm gonna run a bead along here and along this edge. And put that right up in the corner. Got my wax paper there to keep me from getting a mess on other pages. And now we've got a nice blue little top tuck with randomish blue stuff on it, and I like it. I really like the way the stencil went on top of that smushy stuff that I did. So now I will just need to make something to go, or add something to that top tuck. And I think that'll be wonderful. So there's a blue page. Now the next time you see this journal will be when I do my flip through. So I hope you tune in to see that. And until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.